Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to replace the battery in your Yealink CP700 Bluetooth speaker. Let's get started. First, use a pry tool to remove the plastic sticker at the bottom. Then, use a Phillips head PH1 screwdriver to loosen all the screws and take off the bottom stand. Next, use a pry tool again to remove another plastic sticker. Then loosen all the screws to remove the back cover. Remove the old battery and replace it with the Sino CS-YKC700CL battery. Put the back cover back on and secure it with its screw. Then reassemble the bottom stand. And that's it. You have successfully replaced the battery in your Yealink CP700 Bluetooth speaker. Thank you for watching.